I'm about to show you exactly how you need to approach your next self-tape audition. I'll give you a hint. You need to approach it like a kid. Yes, you heard me right, like a kid. I'm going to show you a video now, and you need to watch it till the very end to see this kid's elation, the elation on his face when he finds out exactly what's going on. And before he realizes what's happening or what happened, he's just in his own world and just lighting this up. It will be the best thing you watch on the internet today, I promise you. And then we're going to discuss this and how it relates to your self-tape auditions. Enjoy.
I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to hide, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you now know the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being with someone you love, and I tried to close my eyes when it hurts sometimes. I fall into your arms. I'll be safe in your soul till I come back around. So now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being with someone you love. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved.
Have you ever watched a child do a task that they love? It's incredible. They don't hesitate. This kid didn't hesitate. They don't worry about getting it wrong. They just dive in 100% committed. This kid was 100% committed, full of energy, totally fearless. Whether it's building a sandcastle, playing make-believe, performing an impromptu dance in the middle of the living room, kids don't stop and ask, what will people think? They just don't. They don't care. They just go for it, and they love it. And that's exactly how you should approach your self-tape auditions. Just like a kid, with reckless abandon, not giving a two shits what people think. I see so many actors holding back, second guessing, playing it safe, worrying about, whether the casting director will like their choices. Stop. That's not your job. Your job is to commit, to be fearless, to throw yourself into the scene the way a kid throws themselves into any game or anything that they're doing, fully, joyfully, without hesitation. You have to remember, you're not here to impress, you're here to express. And honestly, when you free yourself from caring what anyone, including the casting director, thinks, you really unlock something super powerful. You become unconstrained. You become the actor, the artist that you were meant to be. And just, indulge me and imagine what that freedom would do for the rest of your career if you approached everything with this reckless abandon. So next time you step in front of the camera, channel that childlike fearlessness. Lay it all out there. Throw caution to the wind. And just watch what happens. I'm telling you, it's magical. Now, Go be bold. Go be fearless. And go do what you love. And follow me for more.